Hey guys, welcome back. I'm EDC Gunner, and today, fun topic for me at least, my watch list for 2020. And I want to hear what's in your watch list down below. Write me in the comment section. So I haven't really think about it, nor did I ever made a wish list ever in my life. But I decided to come up with one, and in 2020, I wanna add some watches to my collection. Definitely, my core three pieces in my collection is Reverso, Datejust, and Submariner. So I would definitely want to add something to that. I do have some other watches, but this is my spine, backbone of the collection, and I'm keeping it strong. These three watches are leaving nowhere, and I just want to add to it. So ideally, I would add to this collection, I would add really day date, white gold president with a quick set dates, but doesn't have to be Roman numeral stick markers, uh, yellow gold should do work. Santa out there, I would rock yellow gold, but something more realistic for me would be a moon watch, and I think I need to tick that box. I need to have a moon watch in my collection. I do not want it that badly because otherwise I would get it before, but it's not that easy to get a hold of a moon watch, and I do not pay retail for a mega. That's that's just silly, if you ask me. So Moonwatch, Day Date. Another two Rolexes I would like to have is the Power or GMT. GMT, my favorite, Pepsi GMT, vintage aluminum bezel, and Power as a consolation prize. But I definitely want to have a GMT more than Power, and that's it. That's my little humble wish list. I would love to get back Pelagos as well, Omega Seamaster 300 Bull, Ceramic, the newest one, or the version before it. But um, I don't want to make this wish list too long because, oh boy, I do really would like to have a Seamaster back. Well, any of these watches on this wish list will do. So, Secret Santa out there, we all should get a Secret Santa. But any of these watches from this list of watches I came up, I remembered, numbered, I would be thrilled to have at the end of the year. And this year, somewhere at the end of the year, November, December, I will do a collection update just like this one, and I hopefully by that time I will have add some cool watches to my collection. I do have one in the works. It's nothing from this list, but super awesome. I fell in love when I saw it, but it's still in the works, and I don't want to jinx it. So it will be on my Instagram first, then on YouTube, and I really would like to hear what's on your wish list. I don't care it's a Seiko. I used to have Seikos and Orions on my wish list. I grew up a little bit, but it doesn't matter. I still love those watches. Whatever watch is on your wish list, you never know. Maybe someone will see it and get it for you for your anniversary, for Valentine's Day. So yeah, write them down.